guys, what's up? Hope everyone are doing great. Welcome back to Canigo Vlogs. So today we are gonna talk about an electric vehicle which is new around here. It is Ather 450X Series 1. Like that. So guys, this is the all new Ather 450X Series 1. So as you can see, it has all fancy LED turn indicators and it has stylish looking mirrors which suits the vehicle, as well as it has an LED headlight which is efficient for our Indian roads at the night time. Coming at the front, it has a telescopic suspension along with reflectors, and the wheel size happens to be 90 by 90 12 inch, which comes with a 200 mm disc. The vehicle has a ground clearance of 160 mm, and coming to the rear, it has a 190 mm disc and the tire size happens to be 90 by 90 12 inch alloys. Tubeless tires. As you can see, there are no separate foot pegs offered, it has attached, and the vehicle offers a lot of space in front. And we have a hook over here to carry bags, and on the left side we got charging port, as well as on the right side ignition for the vehicle. Coming to the rear, we have a fancy LED tail lamp which looks stylish and suits the vehicle, and even the indicators are stylish and all LED, as you can see. And this is the Sari guard, and it has a monoshock suspension. The vehicle offers a side stand but no center stand, and the seat is very cushiony. It is very comfortable to sit and for a long rides. And these are the grab handles. On the left hand side we got high beam, low beam, indicators on, and as well as on the right hand side we got engine kill switch button along with mode changing button. As you can see, we can change the mode right from here, and engine startup button. It has a 7-inch TFT display. It gives us a lot of information like odometer, current ride, average speed. It even has got a parking assist. And on the upper side we got time, motor on and off, how to know whether if the vehicle is on or not, range. And on the right corner we got maps. And here we can change the modes of the vehicle as it has a touch display. And on the left side corner we got general settings, registration of the vehicle, VIN number along with software version as it can be updated, and in settings we can increase and decrease the brightness of the screen, and it even has got a light theme and a dark theme, and it even again goes to the main settings. And here we go, and it has a sound for turn indicators and sound for parking assist. We can on and off them, and it has a guide me home light, incognito mode, and even the vehicle shows us errors if it has got any. And coming to the documents, we can upload up to 8 GB of documents like our Aadhaar card, e-card, any documents to our phone, and we can shut down the vehicle. The vehicle has got a parking assist for women, and we have to slide this key right over here, and the vehicle goes in reverse at a speed of 3, and as you can see it is going reverse at a limited speed which is fun to ride. To shut the parking assist we can slide this button right over here or press the ignition key. So let's now ride the vehicle. The vehicle currently right now is in economy mode, and it produces a lot of sound at the start, and the max power of economy mode is around 40 km speed. And let's change to ride mode. Wow, it has got an instant pull as you can see. And coming to sport mode, let's change it. The vehicle has definitely got an instant pull. It is worth. And let's change to warp mode right here. And in warp mode we can go up to 0 to 40 in around 3.3 seconds. And this is the fast charger right here, and it has got a total 11 outlets of fast charging all around the city in Hyderabad. and it takes up to 2 hours, I think, approximately to charge 100%, and it even shows the range. The 450X is available in two variants, the 450X and the 450 Plus. The one I got right here is 450X. The cost of this vehicle is around 1.80 lakhs on road in Hyderabad. It has got a true top speed of 80 km per hour and a 0 to 40 in just 3.9 seconds. And the Ather 450X electric scooter offers healthy performance thanks to its new and more powerful 6 kW battery. Being a smart scooter, it also gets a superior connectivity and intelligent features such as inbuilt Google Maps navigation, digital document storage. All these features can be used via the 7-inch TFT display, which has a 1.3 GHz Snapdragon processor and a built-in Android open source operating system. Also a Bluetooth connectivity enabling to control music and control calls. It has got an integrated 4G LTE SIM connectivity and 2.9 kW battery pack stored that delivers a claimed range of 70 km in ride mode and 85 in economy mode. And right now we are in sport mode, and let's get this vehicle over to 80, and here it comes. The vehicle has an instant pull, which there are multiple ways to charge the improved lithium ion battery pack. An Ather .home charger is provided with the scooter, with which the top up from 0 to 80% will require about 4.5 hours, while fast charging from the Ather Grid guarantees a rate of 1 km per minute of charge up to 80%. Stopping power comes from disc brakes front and rear with a combined braking system. The brakes are very good on this vehicle. The electric scooter are here to stay as an understatement. The fact that only startup like Ather but also mainstream manufacturers like Bajaj and TVS want a slice of this delicious pie has created quite a buzz in the electric two-wheeler space. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.